So we purchased the Wessex. This was to prolong the life of the other Toro rough mow that we've got. We've got a lot of rough up here, so we now benefit from having two machines to get round it quicker and prolong the life of the older machine.
I've chosen for the Wessex CR320 because it's a nice and easy machine. Doesn't leave a lot of mess. It follows undulations very well. It's easy adjustable in height, so we're cutting the fairways during winter time with it on 2 centimeters, and we can cut the rough at 10 centimeters as well, and it's perfect for the semi-rough as well. So yeah, it's a nice machine.
The main focus for the machine was to save obviously on fuel costs, but to get a bigger area done in shorter amount of time.
Your cutting time is almost cut in half. Your diesel cost is also basically cut in half because of the wide cutting angle.
The main benefit with the Wessex machine is the finish it gives here at Buchanan Castle. Yeah, we're a pretty flat golf course. There's maybe 1 or 2 holes we thought we'd maybe have problems, but it's been absolutely fine.
The rollers striped up the roughs like I've never seen before. We always had mow in the mornings, it would be very wet. This mower, however, with the rear discharge and the type of blades they have, I don't have that anymore. I have a nice flow of grass, no more clumping of grass in the rough. So for me, it's the best mower for what we need here.
I was actually quite surprised how good the cut was. I'm not used to working on a ride-on fairway mower. It was a bit of a push to come and get the Wessex, to be truthfully honest with you, but once I got it in, I was right impressed with the cut.
Very easy to change the height, very easy to maintain, maintenance. Yeah, everything's very easy on it.
Great machine, cut through any length of grass, chops up leaves nicely, doesn't leave any mess, give you a nice stripe if you're looking for that.
So we looked at a few different rough machines, but the Wessex was by far and away the best one we came across.
The difference in the demo, the quality of cut in the demo, we have a lot of rig and furrow out in the course, and we don't scalp. It gets to the bottom of all the slopes. It's really easy to operate. Quality of cut's great. That was a deciding factor on it, really.
It's absolutely a pleasure having the machine around.
I want to say thank you to Wessex. It's a brilliant machine.
Overall, it's a very simple unit, basic unit, and as I said, it's been very good for our young apprentices. So yeah, it's been very good for us.
I would thoroughly recommend this machine.